Hello everyone and welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam and in this video, I will show you how to verify your Bybit account. Begin by opening the Bybit application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Next, locate and tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. You will notice that your account is currently unverified. Tap on the Unverified ID option to begin the verification process. Now tap on Verify Now to initiate the verification process. Select your country from the provided list and then choose the type of document you will be using for verification. Tap on Confirm to proceed. Next, indicate whether you are a resident of our currently live in the selected country. Then tap on Continue. Now select the country where your ID document was issued and choose the type of document you will be using for verification. Follow the instructions to take a clear photo of the front side of your identity. Document using your device's camera. Complete all the necessary steps to verify your Bybit account as prompted. Once you have completed all the verification steps, go back to your profile and check. You should now see that your account is verified. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.